Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing something that everybody's been doing on YouTube, and it is the veil nails. We're going to use stiletto tips, and I've already got them colored with two colors, and the two colors that I am going to be reviewing for you also today are by this brand. You guys have saw me mention this brand and use this brand in the past for reviews. They have sent me two more beautiful colors, so thank you so much. These are UV and LED curable. It is a gel polish. They are soak off, and this is a 10 ml bottle. This one is number 106. Now they do have names, but they don't have them on the bottles. It's on the website. And this one is a beautiful purple, but you're going to see it on the swatch sticks. And then this one here is a beautiful pink. It kind of looks like a very light antique pink. It's actually, it also kind of looks like a light mauve. But let me show you what those look like real quick. Is the pink ones. Look how beautiful. And I don't have a top coat on there. I have the tacky layer because that's what we're going to be using to adhere our polish with. And then here is our purple ones. And this is 2 coats. And this is is it 3 or 2? I think this is 2. Both of them are 2 coats. So it took 2 coats to fully get coverage. Works, you're going to need some, I'm going to use the cotton swabs because I saw the original video on Dixie Girl XOX, her channel, and she said these work best, but you got to get them wet first so that the polish does not stick. Is this gold? It's by Wet n Wild, and it's called Deadly Dose. What I'm gathering is you drop 1 drop. You're gonna, wow, you can't even see that one. You're gonna let it set for a few minutes. You don't want to let it set too long, but you're gonna let it dry. You can even blow. You're gonna bring them in together and do that. And then bring this part in and do that.
Then you get the nail.
And then you grab the nail, and I guess you just dunk the nail into it.
I thought it was underneath it.
Well, you can do it either way. Dunk, and then you're gonna bring that up, which it got on my own nail, but that's okay. And then it's really hard to see because it's gold, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all of this other stuff because this stuff is just extra. You don't need it. Guys, here is a Wet n Wild. This one is called I Need a
Refreshment. Mint, M-I-N-T.
And
mint.
I'm gonna plop down just one. We're just gonna let that spread for a minute.
And then blow.
And then I'm going to get another Q-tip. I mean,
Mom, you're losing your grip.
sorry, I'm tired. I'm gonna get another Q-tip.
Q-tip and then acetone.
And then we're gonna make sure that that booger's dry. We're gonna bring it together. Boom. Bring it together. Boom.
That would look perfect.
And then we're going to take our beautiful pink and plop it down in there. Pick it up. And then she said to lightly press down all out so you can get all the water out of there.
Did she come up with this?
No.
That looks better.
That does look good. Alright, I'm going to set this aside and let it dry.
No.
Alright. Uh-oh. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Sweet. This one is called, what is it called, Kaylee?
Incarnation. Reincarnation.
Okay.
Wow.
That looks cool. The other just once, or I don't know, just try something. Yeah, there you go. Just try that. I bet that would look good. Yeah. And then just dunk the nail right there in the middle.
Ooh. Look, guys.
Oh, sweet. Look at that one. I like that. Okay. And then she said press it down just a little bit.
I actually like that's like cotton candy.
Yeah, that looks like cotton candy.
Or
That's
frosting.
really cool, guys. We're going to set all these aside, and when they dry, we're going to top coat them. Sky Me Mine, and it's a beautiful, like, blue color.
Let me see.
You can do it.
I do it. Does this come out fast?
Get closer.
Look at that.
Oh, sweet.
Why does it do that?
I don't know. Wait till it all unwinds.
Like a P word.
Looks like a mermaid tail. Oh yeah, that look cool right there. Psh, right in the middle.
See? Whoa.
Oh yeah,
Looks
that's
like a heart.
awesome. Ones. What's this one called? What's on the top? It's called Black Magic. Sorry, it's dirty. I haven't used them in a long time. Very long time.
Why is that?
Because I don't use regular polish anymore.
Why can't you mix two?
Oh, you probably could. But let's just try this.
Wow.
Oh, I think this was black. It's going to be cool.
That is weird.
We're just blowing on it to dry it.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that is wicked. I like that. Oh, Kaylee, awesome. Try to get it right down the middle. Like
Now it looks like something like
right.
that.
Yep. Yes, just like that. Oh, wicked.
That looks like a.
It looks like
It looks like a
veins.
tree. Look.
Yes.
Doesn't it look like a tree?
Yes, it looks like veins.
the branches, look, see?
Yep, veins branching out. That black is cool.
That is cool.
You know
It
what we
makes
should
you
do?
see everything better.
You know what we should do, guys?
Put black on that.
Yep. We're going to go over this one with black.
That'd be cool.
We're going to let Kaylee do that. Oh, this is neat.
Dang. Whoa.
Oh, yes.
That was fast. Alright.
Everybody give it the big thumbs up to Kaylee. She's doing this video. Oh, now that's wicked.
That's cool.
Now that's cool.
I want to see this. I'll go right down the middle.
Go right down the middle.
Whoa.
Oh, sweet.
Now that's different.
That is different. Says you can see a little bit of the gold, but I totally
Yeah.
like that black.
I like that better.
Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my Madam Glam No Wipe top coat on these. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to do this one first. Don't look at my nails because, oh my gosh, I've got to do them so bad.
No, you don't.
Oh, I do. This side is okay, but the other side.
I think you should do no nails for a month.
Now, my Madam Glam gel top coat, for some reason, got so thick. But that's why I wanted to use it, because I was hoping it'd give it better coverage. I mean, it got thick, and I don't know why. It got really, really thick. Okay, so number one, we have our
Supposedly, Alien Invasion 2018, April 18th. Veil nail. And you have to spell veil right.
Alright, and you have to spell veil right. So you're gonna be able to pick 2 nails, guys. 2 nails. Veil, V-E-I-L.
There you go.
Alright, here is our second one. This one is our tree root. But Kaylee is going to tell you that in a minute. I gotta put that one in longer. I'm gonna zoom in so she can tell you the name.
Tree root veil nail.
That was easy. Here is our tree root veil nail. Okay, we're going to push this one over. And our next one is, drum roll please. Dun, 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 dun. This one here is the cotton candy veil nail.
The official names.
There, that was the heart.
Oh, right, the heart. Blue heart veil nail.
Blue heart veil nail. Okay, and our last one is
Pink jelly veil nail.
pink jelly veil nail. Okay, so there we go. There are our 5 beautiful veil nails. Using blacks and using a black from Revlon and the rest from Wet n Wild. And don't forget about the I can't pronounce this name, guys.
Let me see.
Don't forget about the beautiful polishes.
AIMEILI, right?
AIMEILI. I'm sorry if I butchered that, but these are the 2 colors that needed reviewed, and they are absolutely stunning, beautiful colors, as you guys can see here. They would be perfect for fall, winter, summer, spring, every season. They're perfect for. They go on really nice, and a lot of them you only need 1 coat for them to be opaque. So these 2 you needed 2 coats, but they're really nice. They're not thick at all. They go on pleasant. If you guys want to take a look at any of my other reviews on these polishes, you will agree they're great polishes. But it is a new polish that I just recently heard of, and I'm really, really enjoying them. So thank you so much for sending these to me. I really appreciate it. I will leave the link for them down below. Alright guys, so I'm going to let you pick 2 of these nails, 2 of your best ones. Just let me know the names of those, and you got to get them right. So go back and listen to the names that we named them.
Because we know you skipped to the end.
Yeah, you can't skip to the end, guys. You got to learn. And thanks to Dixie Girl for her video for showing how to do it easy. So thank you so much. We had a great time. Right, Kaylee?
Yeah.
And so don't forget, give me a big old thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
It's late.